Now moving on to the lymphatic system. Our lymphatic system carries a transparent fluid which is known as plasma, and a lot of our immunity depends on the health of our lymphatic system, and it all impacts our skin because our skin is the largest organ in the body. So lymphatic system carries about 4 to 5 liters of plasma. Our blood circulation system carries about 6 liters of blood. So whatever the toxins are from the blood and as well as other organs, they are transported into the lymphatic system, and then they come out of the body in the form of urine and sweat. And it is very important for the lymphatic system to flow, otherwise we get issues like acne, swelling, bloating, constipation. All of these happen due to a clogged lymphatic system. Our lymphatic system, if you were to expand it, it will be as big as the football field. That is how big it is if you were to just expand it over a field. And they are very tiny, intricate and very small, delicate vessels which carry the lymph flow, and it is like the sewage system of our body, and it is very, very important to keep it in good health. There are also other symptoms of lymphatic system clogging, which is like inability to lose weight, and people who do not perspire at all. There are many people I meet who do not perspire, and it is so important to sweat and perspire on a regular daily basis. Even after intense workouts, they don't perspire, which means their lymphatic system is blocked. People who use a lot of perspirants and deodorants and talcum powders, they block the lymphatic system, because a very important lymphatic node is in our underarm area. We are supposed to sweat out from there. We are not supposed to use any perfumes. A lot of breast cancers happening of late is because of clogged lymphatic system. So when the sweat cannot come out from the underarm area, it attacks the nearest organ, which is the breast. So if you want to keep your body or breasts healthy, you have to ensure you do not use any products in the underarm area, and you should sweat out from that area like how it is meant to be. So what clogs our lymphatic system? Why are the problems happening of late, and so many of them? It's because most of us are leading a very sedentary lifestyle. There's not much movement in our daily routines like how it used to be in the case of our ancestors. So we don't exercise as much, we don't move as much. We are mostly in front of our tabs, our computers, our phones, our devices. That is the main problem. Apart from that, people are not hydrating enough. You're not having 2 to 3 liters of water. You're not sleeping properly. You're not following the circadian rhythm. Then the stress is a very, very important factor. Most people are chronically stressed. They suffer from anxiety issues. They're not sleeping for 8 to 9 hours every day. The timings are really bad. I see a lot of younger generation people sleeping late, waking up late. It all contributes to stress, and it all contributes to clogged lymphatic system. And then last but definitely not the least, there's a lot of chemical exposure in our lives. We all carry 400 to 700 chemicals in our bodies which have been lathered into our system even before we were born. We got them passed on from our mothers through the wombs. So all the chemical laden products that our mothers used, they were passed on from her to us, and now we are continuing with this journey. We continue to use a lot of chemicals in our personal care products, on our skin and hair, in our homes, and that continues the bioaccumulation of toxins. And all of this is making our lymphatic system very, very sluggish. So now that we are aware about the lymphatic system clogging, how do we drain it? How do we make sure that the flow of the plasma is perfect in our bodies? Do deep breathing every day. Very, very important. Keep the energies of both sides of your body balanced. Go for a lymphatic drainage massage. You can do that once a week to start with, and later on, once you feel that your body is absolutely fine, move on to once a month, but still maintain getting it done. Very, very imperative. Practice stretching on a daily basis. do activities like yoga and brisk walking on a regular daily basis. Eliminate fast foods and processed foods from your diet. Maggie really changed the game when it came into our systems. 2-minute food. I mean, remember how our ancestors used to cook food for hours. That's how real food is made. It's not in 2 minutes or 5 minutes. It should take time. When you go to a gym, it is important to go for a sauna to get your pores opened and cleaned. Go for exfoliating scrubs on a regular basis. Very, very important. When you go for a bath, do cold shower as well. Hot shower followed by cold shower will activate your lymphatic system. Cold water baths are also very, very good for immunity and for really pepping you up and boosting you up, boosting your system. Last but not the least, remove chemicals from your homes. Read the labels, remove chemical laden products. Everything that you use on your skin and hair should be edible. You should be able to eat your soaps and shampoos. They should be made with ingredients, herbs and spices and things from your kitchen. From the kitchen to the bathroom should be the mantra you follow. You follow these basic tips and definitely within a month or two you will see visible changes to your body. There will be more energy and stamina, and your systems and processes in the body will reset themselves.